put on it barefooted and loving it for the summer or something like that, and they've got their feet crossed so you can see both tattoos.
Really?
They're so cute together.
They've been friends a long time, haven't they?
Yeah. I'm not real sure of her being friends with Morgan wanting time. One of the things that got in the way of her being friends with Missy, because Missy didn't like scaring her.
So they don't hang out or nothing, really?
They don't even talk.
Really? Oh, goodness.
That last thing, you know, the drinking thing was pretty much the end of it.
Right. Dang.
She called me when she was nothing so good because Russell had to go at her and Lisa had to go at her. She deserved it from them. And then Julie had to go at her, and then she called me and I went to pick her up. And Julie started telling me I couldn't have her because her daddy wasn't through with her yet. And I said, no, this is not one of his scheduled times to see you. And she's going with me to get my daughter's leave.